Hello iPhone users, to create an instant sticker of any photo that you want, I will tell you how to do that. So I have just selected one photo from whom I will show you how to do that. So this is one picture of some deity, and then now I just tapped on it, holded it, and without tapping on the add sticker option, I holded it and kept it aside, switched from the gallery to other app where I want to drop the sticker, right? So here on notes I have dropped it. First it came in larger form, now hold it again and I tap on view as small or large size, so I can do that right away. Right now we will try this on WhatsApp. So I've again holded that particular part which is being selected. I switch to WhatsApp chat, and here I'm gonna drop it on where we type, right? As I do that, I get option of either send or edit option. Edit the sticker, and here I tapped on edit sticker, and I can write it anything I want, right? So the DT's name I write it, and now you see I can also add the sticker. So you can explore the option by yourself, try it yourself, and see how you do that. So you will not get it in the stickers option now, but this is a way to make instant stickers right away to send someone, right? Check previous videos. So see you in the next video. Ta-da!